I'm sorry if the picture's a bit lopsided. We are using a different camcorder without a tripod, just propped up on something. And so we are on, I think it's still just about in the frame, Audioline 341. This is a customer from Holmesfield, last of summer wine country, and let's see whether Mr. Chippie is out there on channel 31. We'll be using one of our new standard replacement mics on this throughout. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear, go ahead.
Okay, I'm now on the air.
Yep, roger that. Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
My goodness, that was quick, and I tell you what, that radio is actually working today.
It is. Yours seems to be as well.
Well, mine's supposed to be.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 to Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner Wilsford. I'm on an Audioline 341 and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
What is that? All received.
Excellent.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So that's the 6 mile point. So his next one is the Greyleys turn, and that's the... Did I say, what did I say? Did I say 6 mile? This is 4 mile point he's just done. So Greyleys is the 5 mile point, and that's our worst one.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn, if I can speak. So that's the worst one. Then the 6 mile point, which is the final one, is Rorsby Level Crossing. So it should be that little bit better, except when he goes over the crossing itself.
Tango 21 to Chippie, we're now going over Rorsby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rorsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger that. Testing.
10-10. Well, doesn't that work well? I mean, just remember when we were doing the repairs, getting rid of that it kind of installed wrongly 5-tone Roger bleep, getting rid of the illegal 80 channel modification, changing 8 capacitors, 4 of which were affecting the receiver, and you know, to kind of bring it back from a... I think the chap who sent it in, it's one of his work colleagues, and I understand he got it from a car boot sale some years ago, like 15 years ago, you know, not like last week or 2 years ago, 15 years ago, and it's been in his cellar ever since. So there we are. So it's nice to have it back in the land of the living, and such a good quality set, and it's not often we hear Mr. Chippie coming through so well throughout that journey. So if you've been watching the videos, you will see we did a Uniden 100, which was the customer's set. I think it's got a Volkswagen, it fits in nicely, of some description. And so I think the next one of his sets we'll be doing is a Midland. So we'll go over to our base station and see what our replacement microphone sounds like into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Bearing in mind these sets have a tendency to be bassy, but our replacement mics have a tendency to be trebly, so let's hope it works.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Audioline 341 into our Harris CBHQ base station using a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2